Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a Valorant into your computer or PC. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go for playvalorant.com and I will put the link in the description. So guys, here on their homepage, just simply click on play for free. After that, if you don't have a Riot account, just simply create one. And since I already have an account, I'm just going to click on sign in and I'm going to sign in with my Google over here, or you can manually sign in. Now guys, once you are signed in, just simply go for the Riot games over here on the top left and make sure you are on the Valorant over here. And after that, just simply click on play for free again and just simply go for PC over here and just simply click on download the game. And after that, go to the top right and you should be able to see here the installation file. And after that, just simply go for the folder right here, click on this. And after that, just double click on it to open it up and click on yes on the pop-up and you should be able to install the Riot client first. So just simply wait for it to load up. Now, once it is done, a pop-up window will show up again and just simply click on yes. And after that, you should be able to have the Riot client. And now an application will open up and just simply click on install over here on the bottom right. And after that, just simply select an installation path over here. And from here, guys, just click on install down below. And from here, you should be able to install the Valorant application. And once it is done, you should be able to play Valorant. And guys, make sure to sign in into your account over here as well. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.